So I'm talking about a culture, Singapore culture, like how it's going. Can you explain me? Can you describe me about culture?
Yeah,
Because
I
I
will
want to.
define. Yeah,
Yeah.
Singapore culture I will define. Now, can you hear my sound? Yeah,
Yes.
I will define, bro, because of Singapore first, the sample of security and priority.
Hmm?
The everywhere, the entire world, everywhere from people coming to Singapore, we can entertainment 100%.
Hmm? Okay.
We can't worry about anything. See, we cannot worry. We don't have
Hmm?
any hesitation. We don't have any worry because this is giving priority to 100% for security. Also,
Oh,
here
I.
culture is not like ancient, not like seamless.
Okay.
Because of this is I don't know full details about culture, but compared to India, here dressingness and food and some kind of atmosphere, all are very different.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why if I coming from another USA or European,
Hmm?
I can feel the culture is same, but I am from India. That's why I can feel the culture is very differently because of we are wearing the dress like jeans, t-shirt, sarees. Girls also like sarees, but here boys also samely wearing, girls also samely wearing t-shirt, pant, kind of things only. That's only okay. This is difference between India and Singapore. Very different.
Okay. And I heard about brother like a Singapore country. We can say a Istanbul only for 65 kilometer. So is this true?
Yeah, definitely, bro. Definitely, bro. We can move from south to north, east to west,
Hmm?
just 1 hour. Because
So
of yeah, because of here roadways also very security. Easily we can move one place to another place without traffic have, but small amount of type only traffic have. That's the reason, bro. Yeah, this is a very small country, but small country is compared to another states and another places. This only very developing country, bro. Very developing country.
okay. Yeah,
Japanese
actually.
currency. You compare to Indian money, Indian currency to Singapore. Singapore is difference for 54 rupees, bro. In compare to Indian money, 54 rupees. In $1, 54 rupees.
Okay. Like if you talk about Indian currency 52 rupees and single currency like $1 like how do we call a Singapore currency?
Here currency is called dollar.
Dollar.
Singapore dollar. Yeah, Singapore dollar.
So $1 how much Indian rupees?
54 rupees. 54 rupees.
Okay,
Yeah, bro.
50.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
That's good thing. And I saw like a video Singapore country like over there people are doing great. It's so beautiful like we can say they made a something fish tank. It's we can say like it's a long bridge over there and in this is under construction we can say. So what kind of bridge over there brother? I'm not sure about but I saw in a movie like people are going on a bridge and this is we can say I don't remember a name bridge name. It's a
Yeah.
bridge look beautiful.
Yeah, I'm already told about because of nowadays corona pandemic. That's only I can't be able to go other side outside because of now all under control condition. But
Okay.
1%, 2% pandemic here have. I also only I have seen only watched videos only.
Okay.
But whenever I go to work, used to buy lorry buses. That time I have seen so much bridges. The flyer have one of the biggest flyer have one of the calling Skywalk building.
Okay. Sky.
Yeah, yeah. Whenever you about see, imagine about Singapore, your mind only feeling like one of the player, the very top level player. Also, the one of the Skywalk building. Though kind of things. Whenever you assume that Singapore atmosphere and Singapore buildings, this is easily come to our mind, bro. I can't say about all kind of things because of I can't able to go. I cannot able to go outside. That's the reason only. I have seen watched so much videos from YouTube. That's all I can say. I cannot speak 100%.
Oh.
That's
But
it.
brother, like already you are working in Singapore, so you do not travel more city over there. Do you
No,
have
no,
a
no, 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 bro. Because
to
of I have been working for only 10 months.
only 10 months? Okay.
Yeah, I am a newcomer here. When I came first time Singapore on April 1st, the corona coming, followly coming April 4th. Bro. That's the reason why. That's the reason why I can't go able to go outside.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, yeah,
So,
bro.
for kind of, for example, if you go to outside, so what should we bring to carry ourselves? Like any kind of passport, and we can say visa. Is it managed? Is it necessary to bring any like passport and visa, like to bring
No, no.
ourselves?
Yeah,
We go
yeah. That's a nice question. That's a nice question. Yeah, here mandatory. Whenever you go to outside, wearing mask.
okay.
Also, you wearing mask. Okay, that's why very important. Also, work permit card. Work permit card. Here, no
Oh,
need to take passport and some kind of visa. We need to take work permit card.
okay.
If you go, if you, my opinion is because of I am not a familiar person because of still now I don't have any experience with the outside. That's the reason why. But my senior people always told about whenever you go outside, you must bring work permit card. That is very mandatory. Also wearing mask.
Oh, I see. Yeah, because
This
now.
kind of things. Otherwise, you don't scare about Otherwise, you don't scare about racism and thief. Any kind of things you don't scare about like another country because of here priority is first level for only security.
Yes, it's very important. And over there, very low population. Also, that's why reason we can, stay easily. No, like no fear, no scared, and we can do job easily over there also. So this is great thing. It's good
Yeah, bro.
opportunity.
Let me tell something about Singapore. Singapore is developing country because of the here people are giving cooperation with the government 100%. That's only the country became a very developing country. That is
Oh,
my opinion. Because of here also atmosphere is very you must atmosphere level is very cleanless.
okay.
You cannot permission to split outside, also throw littering outside. If you any kind of police found that,
Hmm.
here too is a same Singapore. You are not a MP, you are not a prime minister, you are not a policeman, you are not a rich man. Here too is a here same.
Oh
That's
my
why
God.
you
Everyone is
surely get punishment.
everyone is equal over there.
Yeah. Here too is at equivalent. That's why you surely get punishment. If you do any kind of theft, or rowdyism, any kind of, if you do, you surely get punishment. That is Singapore. That's only Singapore become a very developing country, also very cultural country. I
Yeah.
like more. I like more about Singapore. That's only giving responsible for here too is at same.
Yes, absolutely.
Otherwise compared to India, the food level and speaking English, all are same, bro.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
That's why.
people, brother, like about people, what kind of people over there are living, in English people and native
Yeah, yeah,
people.
yeah, 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 yeah. Let me tell something. Yeah, here official language, four languages, bro. First of all, Tamil. Tamil from India. Also Singaporean language, Malay. In
Malay.
Singaporean native language. Also English. And the
Okay.
last language, Mandarin. Mandarin from China. Mandarin coming from the Chinese people. Mother tongue is Mandarin. Four type
Oh,
of language here, official language. So I have to manage with another person. If I met Tamil person, I have met with Tamil. Like Singaporean, all kind of person, I have to manage with English. So
mhm.
I don't. So I don't feel any hesitation. I don't feel any shyness. That's why, bro. That's why learning English. That's why I take a resolution for learning English is must. Because of I have to manage all other persons. If
Okay.
somebody, any people come to any talking about Singapore, any kind of helpness, that's only I have to manage with English.
Okay, that's
Yeah,
great.
yeah. Whenever our conversation you upload to the YouTube, whenever anybody see this is what's conversation, so don't take anybody against ourselves because of we are the learners. We are trying to speak with how to speak clearly. We are learners.
Okay, brother.
So give the only useful commands. Am I
Yeah.
correct, bro?
Yeah, doesn't matter comment. Okay, first thing we are learning each other. We are conversation each other. This is very
Yeah,
important. Okay, doesn't
yeah.
matter where we are. Okay, about English language. Okay, and don't think about negativity, brother, because people are always think about in negative point. If you talk about no anyone perfect to English language, everyone learning. Okay.
Yeah. My first opinion is ignore negativity. You can get the your goal. That is
Yeah.
my first opinion. Ignore negativity.
About positive.
Yeah,
Don't think
yeah.
about yeah.
Why I thinking because of this is social media. If anyone can comment, if anyone can giving reply positively, negatively, that kind of things coming from the YouTube channel, social media. That's only I am before I am telling we are learners giving positive things only. How we can futurely pronounce easily. Yeah, that's why, bro. That's why.
Okay, no
I
problem. Don't concentrate these things. Okay. After all, we are beginner. We are learning. This is very important. Without any, without any sacrifice, without any cost, we are helping each other. So this is, power of spirit. We are, we can say we are learning a second language. Already we know very well our primary.
therefore, let me tell one something matter. I give you a very. I am very proud of yourself because of I only say about myself in group. I am from Singapore. You before don't about myself, but you ready for making conversation, uploading video, that kind of things. I very appreciate you and giving heartful thanks.
Thank you very much, brother. Thank you very much. And I'm always pray for you like you are doing great over there, okay? Because you are living Singapore. Singapore is like one of, good country, developed country. Because if you talk about, if you ask with anyone like about Singapore, everyone, tell everyone comment like so beautiful country. Everyone want to go there, at least tour as, for traveling like that. This is very beautiful country.
Yeah, correct, bro. If you want to, if you have a plan for future, go to another country for only job, or after your marriage you go to any kind of your any tourism. You must come Singapore and see everything. And my thought is all correct. After you feel my thought is all of correct.
Yeah, definitely future time I will, go to Singapore country. One day
Yeah, yeah.
definitely I will go there.
Because of here, yeah, because of the Singapore does not have any partiality, any racism, any kind of the negativity. If you
Yes.
come, you can survey Singapore. Okay, you do anything with securely. That's kind of things I like from Singapore. Okay, bro, carry on, bro. Now time is 10:30. I go to now bed. Okay. Anyway, keep it on, bro. Thank you. I'm salute you. Thank you.
Thank you, brother.
Carry
Thank you.
on.
Bye. See you.